to all the dear students. This is the worksheet for 10th standard, which is of 60 marks, and the chapter are included 9, 10, 11, 12 and 15, which you are already taught, and the videos are you are already given in pocket study. So I am reading here question. Question 1a. The fourth term of an AP is 11. The sum of the fifth and seventh terms of the AP is 34. Find its common difference. So here solution I have given to you. T4, term 4 is equal to 11. So A plus 3D is equal to 11. Again T5 plus T7 is equal to 34. So A plus 4D plus A plus 6D is equal to 34. Now we will get two equations. So to solve these two equations, the second equation we found as 2A plus 10D is equal to 34. And solving these two equations by simultaneous linear equations, and first equation multiplied by 2. So I get 2A plus 6D is equal to 22. Arrange the second equation under it, like terms under the like term, and then taking subtraction. So 2A get cancelled here, and we get our solution of D. So here minus 4D is equal to minus 12. So D is equal to 12 divided by 4, that is 3. Answer first. Question number B, that A minus 1 3, B 4 2 and C 3 minus 2 are the vertices of a triangle. Find the coordinates of the centroid G of the triangle. This is 3 marks question. So we have to use our centroid formula to solve this question. So here G x y, the formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. And every time coordinates A, B and C you can choose as x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 to do not make any mistake. So now place this value of x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3 in the formula to get your answer of this centroid. So now minus 1 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 3 and 3 plus 2 minus 2 divided by 3. So I get 6 by 3, 3 by 3. So by cancellation the answer of centroid is 2, 1. Question C. Use the graph paper for this question. This is 4 mark question. First is plot the points A04, B23, C11 and D20. Second is reflect points B, C, D on the y-axis and write down their coordinates. Name the images B dash, C dash, D dash respectively. And number 3 is join the points A, B, C, D, D dash, C dash, B dash and A in order so as to form a closed figure. Write down line of symmetry of the figure formed here. So this is the graphical question, reflection chapter question. So you have to solve in graph, students. You have to take appropriate scale and solve in graph. Here you can see x-axis, y-axis are drawn and according scales are taken, and you can see A, B, C are plotted and the B dash, C dash, D dash also plotted here and join also the figure. Now this here is, we want to write the line of symmetry. So y-axis you can see is the line of symmetry of this figure formed here. So students, you have to write proper answers in the this graph paper also and in the separate paper also in the answer sheet. Now question number 2a. Find the first curved surface area and the total surface area of the solid cylinder of diameter 7 cm and length 12 cm. 3 mark question. So radius is equal to 7 by 2 cm and height is 12 cm. Now applying formula of curved surface area 2 pi RH and place the values here. So I get answer 264 cm square. Total surface area formula 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square, from which 2 pi are taken common. So in bracket H plus R. Now write the substitute the values to 22 by 7, 7 by 2, 12 plus 7 by 2, and whatever you can cut it down and solve it. So after cutting, it is 22 into 31 by 2. So 2 11s are also cancelled, and we get final answer as 341 centimeter square. This chapter, it is compulsory to write the units, otherwise you may cut the marks. Question number B. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, if AD upon DB is equal to 2 by 3 and AC is equal to 18 centimeter, find AE. So here figure is given to you, or you can draw figure by yourself as you are given DE parallel to BC. So now taking the question number B solution. Now here let AE is equal to X, then EC is equal to AC minus AE, which is 18 minus X. So DE parallel to BC, now using basic proportionality theorem, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. 2 by 3 is equal to X upon 18 minus X, and taking cross multiplication we get twice 18 minus X is equal to 3X, and solving it we get 36 minus 2X is equal to 3X. So taking 2X on right side, it becomes 5X is equal to 36. So we get here X is equal to 36 by 5, which answer is 7.2, which is the required answer. We want AE value, and that is 7.2 as our answer. So now going to next question. Question number C. Find the sum of integers between 101 and 200 100 and 200 that are divisible by 6. 4 mark question. The integers between 100 and 200 divisible by 6 are 102, 108, 114 and so on 198. A value is 102, difference is 6, and Tn, that last term, is 198. So using last term formula as Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d and substitute the values, we get n minus 1 is equal to 16. So n is equal to 17. We get how many numbers are divisible by 6? They are 17. Now we place the sum of n terms formula Sn is equal to 17 by 2. A plus 198, that is the direct formula. A plus L you can use, as in this question we are given last term also. So 17 by 2 and place the value 102 plus 198 and adding it we get 300. So by cancellation 17 multiply 150, which is 2550. So let us move on to next question 3. Question 3a. In figure, DE parallel to BC, AD is equal to 3 cm and DB is equal to 2 cm. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 10 cm square. Find the area of triangle ADE. So you can see the figure here given. AD and DB values given to you. So write it down. AB is equal to AD minus DB is equal to 3 minus 2. So AB is equal to 1 cm. Now using our formula, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADE is equal to corresponding side square, that is AB square upon AD square, and now place the values as 10 upon area of triangle AD is equal to 1 square by 3 square, and now solving it, area of triangle ADE is equal to 10 multiply 9, which is 90 centimeters square. Now question number B. The midpoint of the line segment joining 2A and 4 and minus 2, 3B is 1, 2A plus 1. Find the values of a midpoint. So here A and B, we want to find the values of A and B, 3 marks question. So let us let the given points be A and B. They are 2A4 and minus 2, 3B, and the coordinates of midpoints here is 2A minus 2 upon 2 and 4 plus 3B by 2. Now as we know that midpoint is given as 1 and 2A plus 1. So comparing x coordinate and y coordinate, so 2A minus 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So solving it we get answer A is equal to 2 and 4 plus 3B by 2 is equal to 2A plus 1, and solving it we get answer as B is equal to 2. Number C. The inner and outer radii of a hollow cylinder are 15 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. The cylinder is melted and recast into a solid cylinder of the same length. Find the radius of the base of the new cylinder. So here you can see hollow cylinder is drawn, outer and inner radius are shown and height also shown. So we follow here volume of hollow cylinder formula, pi r square minus r square h, and placing the values here. So 20 square minus 15 square. Now taking factorization as 20 minus 15, 20 plus 15, and get pi multiply 5 into 35 h. So solving it, we get 175 pi h centimeter cube. But what they asked to get the radius of the base of the new cylinder. So volume of solid cylinder is equal to volume of hollow cylinder. So now that is solid cylinder is pi r square h, and the hollow cylinder we get value as 175 pi h. From both the side, pi and h get cancelled. So we get r square is equal to 175. Now r square is equal to 175, so r is equal to square root 175. So r value is 5 root 7, and taking root 7, r is equal to 13.2 centimeters. Question number 4a, find the image of 1 3 in line x equal to 2 and 4 minus 5 in line y is equal to 1. So this is 3 marks question. Whenever we are given any coordinate as PAB, that coordinate change in under x is equal to a line is p dash 2a minus xy. This is the formula we can say. I have already explained in reflection videos. And now we take x equal to 2, which is our line given to us here. So now placing the value 2, a is 2 and x is 1, and y coordinate remain as it is 3. So now solving it, we get 4 minus 1, 3. So the answer, that coordinate is 3 3. Find the image of first 1 3 is 3 3 in line x equal to 2. Now let us move on to next, that is we are given line y is equal to 1, and so PAB in y is x 2b minus y, that you can solve by yourself same way as I have explained you. X equal to 2 line, y equal to 1, you can take as p dash x 2b minus y formula. So here and solve. Now the next question is find the coordinates of the point which divides internally the join of the points 8 9 and minus 7 4 in the ratio 2:3. Let Pxy be the point of division and m ratio n is equal to 2:3. Students, here you may are not given the question, but in the another that PDF I will send you question properly. So now using our division formula, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, and placing values x1 y1 x2 y2, we get minus 14 plus 24 by 5 and 8 plus 27 by 5. And solving it, we get 10 by 5, 35 by 5. So the point is 2 7, which is the coordinates and the point of division. Now question number C. In figure, EA and FB are perpendiculars to AB. If AO is equal to 10 centimeter, BO is equal to 6 centimeter, and FB is equal to 9 centimeter, find EA. This is 4 mark question. Figure is already given to you. Now in triangles AOE and FOB, angle EAO and FBO is 90 degree given to you. Angle AOE is equal to FOB, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, if two angles are same in the triangle, the third obviously equal. So by AA similarity, I have written triangle AOE is similar to triangle FOB. Once the two triangles are similar, we can show the corresponding sides are equal. So ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So AE upon FB is equal to AO upon OB is equal to EO upon OF. Now placing the values in this, we get the answer AE. So here AE upon FB is equal to AO upon OB is equal to AE upon 9 is equal to 10 by 6. So we get AE is equal to 15 centimeters as our answer. Question number 5a. The sum of the first 8 terms of an AP is 100 and the sum of its first 19 terms is 551. Find the first term and the common difference of the AP. 3 marks question. So here S8 is 100, S19 is 551. So now taking formula for S8, that is 8 by 2 in the bracket 2a plus 7d, and S19 formula as 19 by 2 2a plus 18d. So now place the value S8 as 100 and solve it. We get 2a plus 7d is equal to 25, the first equation. And here placing the values in S19 551 and solving, so we get a plus 9d is equal to 29, which is the second equation. Now by solving these two equations we can find common difference. Now solving this by simultaneous, so I get 2a plus 7d is equal to 25 and 2a plus 18d is equal to 58. Now solving them, 2a minus 2a cancelled, so I get d is equal to 3, which is the common difference. Also they asked to get the first term, so I write a plus 9d is equal to 29. Any of the equation you place the value, you will get your first term. Here a is equal to 2. Now moving on to next question, B. Calculate the ratio in which the line segment joining 3, 4 and minus 2, 1 is divided by the y-axis. Let the point of division is 0, y and ratio be k ratio 1. Why it is division point 0, y? Because it is divided by y-axis. It means the point lie on the y-axis. Now by using our x coordinate formula of division, we can find out the answer. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m1 m plus n. Now x coordinate is 0. So place the value m and n k ratio 1. So I get minus 2k plus 3 is equal to 0, that is 2k is equal to 3 and k is equal to 3 by 2. So the ratio I found is 3 ratio 2. Question C. An electric geyser is cylindrical in shape, having a diameter of 35 cm and height of 1.2 meter. Neglecting the thickness of its walls, calculate first its outer lateral surface area and second its capacity in liters. This is 4 mark question. D is equal to 35 cm, so radius is 35 by 2 cm. H is equal to 1.2 meter, convert into centimeter as 120 cm. First formula, surface area is 2 pi RH. Place the values in it. We get 22 multiply 600, which is 13,200 centimeter square. Second is volume, or you can say capacity, that is V is equal to pi r square h. Place the values and get as 11 multiply 35 into 300. So now to convert this into liters, this is in centimeter cube, we want to convert into liters, so divide it by 1000, we get 385 multiply 300 divided by 1000. So I get 115.5 liters as the capacity of this cylinder. Now moving on to next question. Question number 6. A. In triangle ABC, D and E are the points on the sides AB and AC respectively, such that DE parallel to BC. If AD is equal to x, DB is equal to x minus 2, AE is equal to x plus 2 and EC is equal to x minus 1, find the value of x. So here you can draw the figure if you want. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now place the value of all four. We get x upon x minus 2 is equal to x plus 2 upon x minus 1. Taking cross multiplication, I get x square minus x is equal to x square minus 4. X square cut from both the sides, we get minus x is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to 4. Question number B. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 and so on must be taken to give a sum of 636? This is also 3 marks question. A is equal to 9, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 636. Now place the value of formula of Sn, sum of n terms, and place the values. So I get 636 is equal to n by 2. 18 plus n minus 1 multiply 8. Solving it, we get 1272 is equal to n. 10 plus 8n. So now in bracket we multiply n, we get 10n plus 8n square, and dividing whole equation by 2, I get 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now factorizing them, 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. N common, 4n plus 53 and minus 12 common, 4n plus 53. We get 2 brackets n minus 12, 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. So we get here two values of n, 12 and minus 53 by 4. But you see that negative values generally we neglect, or it is not possible to get negative value. So here we only take our answer as n is equal to 12. Question number C now. Use graph paper for this question, 4 mark question. Take 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit along both the axes, scale given to you in the question. Plot the points A 2, 5 and B 0, minus 3. Find first the image A dash of A under reflection in the line y is equal to 0. Second, the image B dash of B under reflection in the line A dash. Third, plot A dash B dash and write the name of the figure A B A dash B dash. Now here students, I am not drawing this question on the graph paper. You all have to do it by yourself. This is kind of practice question, but answers I am giving you. The first answer, which is the reflection of A25 in x-axis, is A dash 2 minus 5. Then B03, that is the B dash point and which is reflected in A dash line. So answer is B dash 4 minus 3. And the joining of all the points, the figure you get is the kite here. So students, you solve it, that it will be more clear to you. So here, this is the practice worksheet. You have to practice this for your second term exam. All the best students. You have to understand this question and practice this type of questions. In exams, this type of questions you will be asked from.